Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an inexpensive clothing haul, and yeah. So the first website that I'm going to talk about is called MakeMeChic.com, and I've talked about them before. I'm actually a huge fan of their stuff. They're like one of those Asian websites that just like sell everything for super cheap. They're definitely one of my favorites. So the first thing that I got, and I get like so many compliments on these, it's unbelievable, are these like high-waisted olive green sweatpants, and then they have like a little like cutout in the knee. They need to be like ironed or steamed or something. But yeah, these are really great, and I just love sweatpants lately. So the next thing is also kind of like sporty. It's just this like sweatshirt that laces up in the front, and I've also gotten compliments on this. It's actually like great because you can wear it to like, it's perfect for class because it's like still stylish but super comfy. You can also wear it to the gym or like even shopping or whatever. And then the final thing I got are these booties, and these are actually really great quality. I would compare them to the quality of like probably Target boots or like Forever 21. They're not like Steve Madden, and I really like them because they're kind of like a mix between a boot and a shoe. So the next place that I have to talk about is Romwe. So I first got this cream sweater that is just kind of boxy, and then it has like this middle cutout. Again, I would probably compare it to like a H&M or Forever 21, but it's probably a lot cheaper than what you would get it from there. Next, I got this bodysuit that's going to be impossible to show you, but you'll see it in the try-on, and it's basically one of those ones that you can wrap like a million different ways. I love the material of this. My only complaint is that it's like a full bottom, so I'm gonna have to work around that one. The next and final place I have to talk about is Zaful, and I did get a ton of bikinis like a long time ago. I'm just gonna talk about them now. I'm pretty sure they've updated their bikinis, so sorry if these aren't like relevant. My favorite is this nude one right here. The bottoms look like and the top looks like this. I'm out of breath, but I'm out of breath. It fits amazing. The top literally fits me to a T. The only thing is like these seams, you can kind of like see like bumpiness or something. I don't know if they didn't like cut them off, so I'm gonna have to figure out something with this one, but I like love the color and everything. The next one I feel like a ton of people have gotten, and the bottoms look like this. They're a lot more like maroon. They're looking really red on camera. The side seams kind of like make them puffy on the sides. The quality is really nice though. And then the top looks like this. Love the top. The only complaint is like, I don't know why they have them all tie like this at top. Like it looks kind of silly when it's on. The next one is also like really great material, but I got it in a size small because when I was watching reviews, like this thing was too long for people, but I think they fixed it because mine is too short. And I wish I would have gotten a medium because I really love the quality of this one. And the bottoms are also too small, unfortunately. Probably one of my favorites is this one. So the bottoms look like this, and they have like mesh on the side. And the top is high neck, and there's like this see-through strip in the back. And it came with pads, but once you take the pads out, the top fits like perfect, and I just really love that suit in particular. The next one is a one-piece, and this is definitely one of my favorites. I'm not even gonna mind showing it up, you'll see it in the try-on, but yeah, I really like that one. Next, I got another one piece, and this one I just have too long of a torso, which is like, I don't know if I have a long torso. So this one, the bottoms, I got in a medium. The bottoms are literally for a 12-year-old child. They don't fit. And then the top came with pads. I took it out, and now it's kind of cute. So kind of into this one. It's kind of an interesting fit. But basically that's gonna be it for my haul today. I hopefully will be doing some fall shopping. I'm like trying to save my money because I'm going to London in January, and I just am gonna be broke. So but if I do, let me know if you guys would like a haul. Until then, I hope you guys are doing well. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I have ColourPop on my lips. I always get asked that, and my sweatshirt's from H&M. My choker is from Forever 21. On my side.